Good morning, grade 8. Yesterday we have seen concept of congruence. What is the meaning of being congruent? We have seen yesterday. Now see, yesterday we have seen that if we consider any two triangles, then three angles of one triangle should be correspondingly equal to three angles of the other triangle if they are congruent, and all three sides of one triangle are correspondingly equal to all three sides of other triangle. That means there are six elements for a triangle, which includes what? Three angles and three sides. These are the six elements of a triangle. But to be congruent to each other, looking at the two triangles, we can say two triangles are congruent, but all the six elements need not be congruent at a side. Three elements are essential. And what are those three elements? That will decide what is the test of congruence of triangles. So today's topic is tests of congruence of triangles. There are different tests. Each test includes three elements. They will determine whether the triangles are congruent or not. It is not mandatory. All six elements of one triangle should be congruent, or it should be known first that they are congruent to the other triangle. Correspondingly, other elements of the other triangle, so as to prove that two triangles are congruent. Only three are enough. So let us see which three elements should be known so that we can say yes, these two triangles are congruent. So that is given by the tests of congruence. So let us see one by one. Now look at the first test of congruence, and that is SAS test. Okay. Now see students, what is S? S means side and A means angle. It is side, angle, side test. Two sides, and in between them, or these two sides are making one angle, that is included angle. So if I have a triangle like this, okay, and another triangle like this, both should be congruent, so arbitrarily I am drawing same size, okay. And if I label them as A, B, C, and this is P, Q, R. Now one side of first triangle, this is first and this is second. So let me say AB is congruent to DQ. Then one angle I am taking angle B should be congruent to angle Q. I am showing the same sign, see like this. This says that these two angles are equal. And another side, this angle should be included in these two sides. That means these two sides should make this angle. That means another side should be BC. This should be congruent. If I know these three elements, that is two sides and included angle of one triangle are correspondingly equal to two sides and included angle of another triangle, then immediately I can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Are you understanding me? So I need not know that if A angle is equal to P, C is equal to R, this side is equal to this side. I need not know remaining three elements. These are the remaining three elements which are not known. Only these three are known. Then also I can say that yes, these two triangles are congruent. And which is that test? SAS test. Now while writing, see, be very careful. Yesterday I have told you one-to-one correspondence is important. If I write triangle ABC is congruent to triangle, now this naming is very important. Angle B should be equal to angle Q. So at the center angle Q should be there. Before that A is there, AB's side which should be equal to PQ. Isn't it? So if A and B are first two letters, so P and Q should be first two letters of the other triangle. Third letter is C, here it is R. Now see, check the sides AB equal to PQ, first two. Angle B center, angle Q center. BC last two, QR last two. So this is one-to-one correspondence. ABC is one-to-one correspondence with PQR vertices. Okay, and write the name of triangle in the same one-to-one correspondence, so it becomes easy for you to write other elements as well. So we can write triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by which test? It is SAS test. Why? Because in these two triangles, one angle is included among other two sides. You got the concept of included angle? Included means these two sides are making this angle, and that should be congruent to the corresponding other angle of the triangle. So you have to pause the video, write the heading, write this explanation, and write this as well along with diagram. Let us see what is written here. If two sides of and an included angle. See, if two sides and an included angle of a triangle, that means first triangle, are congruent with two corresponding sides. Okay, two corresponding sides and an included angle of other triangle, then the triangles are congruent with each other. That is by which test? SAS test. I hope this test is clear. Okay. Let's go to the other test now. Now look at second test. Name itself tells you students. SSS. Which three elements we are considering? Side, side and side. When all three sides of one triangle are correspondingly equal to all three sides of other triangle, then the two triangles are congruent by SSS test. So here whether angles are, they will be automatically congruent. Angles will be automatically congruent. Once three elements are congruent, other remaining three elements will be automatically congruent. Because once the two triangles are congruent, their 6 elements has to be congruent to each other. Alright, these tests are only to prove whether the triangles are congruent or not. We should be knowing only 3 elements. Is this clear? Okay. So now see in this triangle X, Y, Z and C, B, D. You can see that this side XY is exactly equal to CD. Then YZ equal to BD. And third side XZ is equal to CD. All three sides of this triangle are correspondingly equal to three sides of other triangle, and so we have written triangle XYZ. Again, be very careful when you write this name. XY should match with CD. See, XY is CD. Then YZ should match with BD. Yes. And first and last name is XZ. It should match with C and D. This is how you should write. Your vertices one-to-one correspondence is very important. Once you know this, students, see, as you know the three sides, you can tell three angles also. Angle X will be equal to angle C, angle Y will be equal to angle B, angle Z will be equal to angle D. Okay, so writing this one-to-one names in keeping in mind one-to-one correspondence is very important. So this is another test of congruence, that is SSS test of congruence. Side, side, side. First we have seen side, angle, side. Now it is side, side and side. Is this clear? Okay. So these are the two tests of congruence. So please write down this very neatly in your notebook along with the test name, diagram, everything. Okay. So that's all from my side for today, students. Thank you.